no! A big crash! Who broke everything?
Was it Tommy and Lily? Let's find out.
It is Saturday. Tommy and Lily go to the supermarket with Mom and Dad. The supermarket is big. There are many colorful things. Tommy and Lily are excited. Stay close to us. Walk slowly. Do not touch anything.
Should Tommy and Lily stay with Mom and Dad? Think. Yes! They should stay with Mom and Dad. If you run, someone can get hurt. Mom and Dad buy food. Tommy looks around.
Lily, look over there! Lenka!
Time is up! The answer is...
No!
Shh. They leave Mom and Dad. This is not safe.
They play.
They push.
Wow! A pink vase! There are pretty vases.
There are glass lamps. Everything is fragile. Correct. No. Fragile things can break.
Oh! The shelf moves.
It shakes and shakes.
Crash! Bang! Everything falls.
Oh no! What did we do?
They run away. They are afraid.
They hide under a counter. It is dark. Lily is scared.
I want Mom.
Don't worry. Don't worry, I am here.
I should have listened.
Yes! They are safe.
Tommy?
Huh?
Lily?
There was an accident. Please check the cameras.
The cameras find Tommy and Lily hiding under a counter and worried.
Mom and Dad find them.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. Oh!
What should we say after a mistake?
That's right. Say, I'm sorry.
Look at the mess. Actions have consequences. Dad pays for the broken things. He is responsible.
Listening keeps you safe.
We learned our lesson. We will listen.
Always listen to your parents. Be kind. Be careful. Be responsible. See you next time.